The Kind Princess. Once upon a time, in a beautiful kingdom surrounded by sparkling rivers and tall green trees, there lived a young princess named Ilara. She was known not for her crown or her jewels, but her kind and gentle heart. Every morning, Princess Ilara would walk through the village, greeting the people with a warm smile. She helped the baker carry bread, comforted children where they fell, and even fed the stray animals that wandered near the castle gates. One day, a terrible storm swept through the kingdom. The rivers overflowed, and many villagers lost their homes. While the royal advisors suggested she stay safe in the castle, Ilara refused. This is my people's pain, and I must help, she said. She put on a simple cloak and went out into the rain. She helped carry water, gave out food, and even used her own blankets to keep the children warm. Her hands grew tired, but her heart stayed strong. The storm finally passed. The kingdom looked broken, but the people's spirits were not. Because of Princess Ilara's kindness, everyone came together to rebuild their homes. To thank her, the villagers planted a beautiful garden in the center of the town, filled with brightest flowers they could find. They called it the Garden of Kindness. From then on, Princess Ilara was loved not just as their ruler, but as their friend. Moral lesson: true royalty comes from the heart, not from the crown. Kindness can rebuild even the strongest storm.